Hey guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, I'm going to do a bass test on my wking T9 up-to-dated firmware version with the candle test actually, because this is a bass test and I will be putting a very much lower frequencies to see their response and movement on the candle as well, which will give you an idea that how bassy this speaker is. Frequency set to 20 Hz. Hertz. Wow. That's huge bass. 40 Hz. 50 Hz. 60 Hz. 70 Hz. Back to 20 Hz. Now frequency response from 300 Hz to 10 Hz. Well, this is a just simple test I wanted to do to confirm that how bassy is my wking after having a firmware update on it. And honestly speaking guys, it improved to the hell of it for sure.